Ateti aria marathamira ciama-ini ingi no mathiite na mbere na kwamukira jamii kuuma ciama-ini iria mathurirwo nacio na kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua Ednard Wambugu uria nowe MCA wa North Kinangop ni arikitie guikio nja ni kiama kia Jubilee ta mwaria wa ringi mbunge-ini ya kaunti ino gitumi nyari gukorwo ni athiganite kiama giki thutha wa guthamira kiama-ini kia UDA.
Mr. Speaker, sir, there is a state.
Simon Sambigi mukuria uria nowe MCA wa wodi ya Githioro riu niwe aikeirio kura iria nyingi ni ajumbe mbunge-ini ya kaunti ino na gukindirwo ta mwaria wa ringi ni Speaker Ndegwa Wahome.
And therefore I congratulate Honorable Simon Sambigi Mukuria, the member for Githioro and the chair of the Jubilee caucus for this very onerous role that has been bestowed upon you by the Jubilee party and for the confidence that they have shown in your leadership.
Wahome ni atugiritie itua riri akiuga ni rikumateithia guthie na mbere na gutwarithia mihango ya kiama giki mbunge-ini ino na oho akiranira unyitaniri munene.
As a house can assure you that we are going to give you all the cooperation that you need so that we can continue oversighting the executive effectively without fear or favor.
Mwena-ini wake Sambigi ayukitie giturua giki na gikeno kinene na oho akiranira uigiririki munene.
Speaker, I want to state categorically here that I'm going to discharge my duties without favor or fear, and that justice and fairness will be my mark of dignity.
Ni acokeirie ngatho arunake kumana na itua riao ria kumucagura niguo matongorie riri nao mamunyitite ugeni na kumwirira unyiti mbaru munene mihango-ini ya mbunge ino.
And I believe in you and I know that you're going to draw the boundary now between this honorable house and the executive.
And I also want to assure him that his predecessors, Honorable Gathungu and Honorable Wambugu, they are in very safe hands with me in the UDA party. So, Mr. Speaker, I want to assure him that I will give him cooperation.
Handũ-inĩ ya Kameme TV kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Nyandarua, niĩ njĩtagwo Francis Mwangi wa Wawira.